Well, hello again. I'm back, and today I want to show to you the shawl I've crocheted, and this is how it looks like. Okay, this is a very nice shawl for the spring. Okay, and also before the winter, the autumn. Okay, before the winter begins, then the winds becomes a bit cooler. You can still wear this. Okay, and this is how I wear it. Okay, so that's it. You see how nice. And I will show you the step by step of how to crochet this beautiful scarf. Okay, okay, let's begin. I will make 5 chains. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I will close the chains to form a circle. Okay, there you are. Now I will crochet 4 chains. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, and then we will make one set of 3 double crochet. Okay, on the second hole or on the second chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I will make 2 chains. 1, 2. Okay, then I will make a set of 3 double crochet on the next chain. Okay, yarn over, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I will make 1 chain, and then I will make 1 double crochet on the next chain. Right, okay, so that is the last 1 double crochet I made. That is the increase. Okay, additional. So I will turn around the pattern and make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yarn over, and the first hole we will make a set of 3 double crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 chain, yarn over, and this is the center of the pattern. Okay, so I will make 1 set of 3 double crochet. Yarn over, Now I have here, okay, a set of 3 double crochet. Since this is the center of the pattern, I will make 2 chains, okay, yarn over, and on the same hole, okay, where the set of 3 double crochet, I will make again another set of 3 double crochet, okay. One, two, three. So you see there is a shape now, okay. So make 1 chain, yarn over, and this is the last hole of the row, okay. So I will make a set of 3 double crochet on the last hole, okay. 1, 2, and 3, okay. Then I will make an increase, okay, of 1 double crochet, okay, in the same hole, the last hole, okay. 1 chain, yarn over, and 1 double crochet on the same hole, okay. 1. So that's how to increase the pattern, okay. Always add 1 double crochet on the last hole of the rows, okay. Now turn around, make 4 chains, 2, 3, 4, okay, and then yarn over, and on the first hole, okay, you see the first hole, we will make a set of 3 double crochet, okay. 1, 2, 3. Make 1 chain and then yarn over, and on the next hole make a set of 3 double crochet. Two, 3. Okay, so this is the center, you see, 1 chain, yarn over, and on the center of the pattern we will make a set of 3 double crochet, okay. One, 2, 3, okay. Now since this is the center of the pattern, we'll make 2 chains, 1, 2, and then on the same hole, okay, on the same hole we'll make a set of 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you see, and then a 1 chain, yarn over, and on the next hole a set of 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3, okay. So 1 chain and then yarn over, and the last hole of the rows we'll make a set of 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so again, 1 chain, yarn over, we will make an increase. Okay, 1 double crochet. Okay, so that's it. Turn around, make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat the pattern. Okay, so that's it, how to make. So thank you very much for watching my video, and God bless you. Please subscribe, share, and like my video. And also, please press on the bell for more notification. Okay? Sorry my hair is so very stubborn. I do not know what I will do with this piece of hair. Maybe I have to cut it. So, thanks for watching, and see you the next video.